An impact driver is a must-have tool in the professional work line of construction and woodwork. But finding the best cordless impact driver is a lot of painstaking work. A minor mistake of picking the wrong product will definitely ruin your machine and hard labor. To help you out, we've gathered a list of the 5 best cordless impact drivers to insert particular difficult screws or bolts into the toughest materials. So without further ado, let's drill right into the video.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
The PORTERCABLE PCC-K647LB is an improved version to its predecessor, and it's optimized to provide 50% more runtime to finish your work in one go. Its powerful gyration produces 1400 inch-pound torque speed having 2700 RPM, while keeping a high burst of 3100 adaptable IPM. This allows your driver to avoid friction between the brush and the commutator so that you can have a longer lifespan. Weighing 3.2 pounds, it's highly balanced in portability for your satisfaction. Also, the ergonomic design and palm-shaped handle allows using it one-handed with no fatigue. And a double-sided clip and belt gives a hand-free carrying experience. The tool comes with a 20-volt lithium-ion battery, which is shareable among other products from the PORTERCABLE family. Besides, a 3-level battery indicator lets you be aware of the remaining runtime. Furthermore, a powerful LED light gives 20 seconds of illumination to handle clean driving in dark spots. Finally, having a 1x4-inch quick-release hex and 3-year limited warranty, this mid-range impact driver can be of value for usability for home workshops or contract. The Bosch PS41-2A is one of the most light, compact, and affordable impact drivers in its class. Arriving with a 5.4-inch size body, this impact driver can be your convenient companion. This 2.13-pound driver is safe and susceptible from hard hits, which makes itself ideal for unaccustomed customers. For professional circumstances, a 3-way LED allows users to pinpoint the marks and screw positions, emitting any shadow. And the lights illuminate before pressing the trigger in full so that you don't have to hold on to the wrong spot. This is a 12-volt lithium-ion battery-powered tool and can be charged in 30 minutes so that you can have frequent usage throughout your whole day. Additionally, a side-mounted indicator shows the 3-bar battery level to ensure tracking. With a spring-pushed 1x4-inch hex drive, the driver can generate 930 inch-pound torque speed, resulting in 2600 RPM and 3100 IPM. Gladly, speed can be changed through pushing the trigger to save your time. The Bosch PS41-2A comes with 2 Phillips bits and a carrying bag. So, considering the compact design and portability, it's value for your money as a work buddy. The Makita XDT16T can give head-to-head competition against similar products with proof. If size, feature, and performance individually matter to you, this tool is a perfect combination of all of that. Equipped with an 18-volt LXT lithium-ion battery, it can handle impact on hard wooden and soft-gauge metal elements. To give you a smooth grip, Quick Shift Mode calculates each application to provide the most balanced torque. It derives 4-speed power boost by one touch button positioned on the chuck for ease of access. With that, the motor generates a maximum of 3600 RPM, 3800 IPM, and 1600 inch-pounds of torque speed. Also, speed can be adjusted in between 4 different states to accomplish your jobs from softest to toughest. Makita's Star Protection System allows you to monitor tool health in real time. such as auto stop mode prevents reverse impact, which is reliable for crank-free screwing, and for precise marking, two-sided LED projection to emit shadow of the bit and the driver. Overall, Makita XDT16T is a total powerhouse in its category. Likening the price point and ergonomic design, this beast is a value for premium impact drivers. Milwaukee's 2462-20 M12 can be the most affordable power impact driver for your home use and light construction work. After all, general home tasks can be done perfectly relying on this versatile machine. Weighing only 1.9 pounds, this tool can provide a surprising 1,000 inch-pound torque speed having 2,500 RPM. Its 12-volt battery gives you a massive 3,300 IPM to conduct your light operations bravely. It also supports batteries from Milwaukee's same M12 lineup to lessen your expenses. Additionally, the pistol grip handle snugly fits in hand to provide more comfort and control. Its 6.5-inch standard length feels smooth in hand. An equipped belt clip gives comfort to both left and right-handers in terms of use. Even though this tool comes at a lower price, it's premium built and features an LED light, a fuel gauge battery indicator, a 1x4-inch universal hex shank, and a 5-year-long warranty to use with no complication. If you have repairs, assemblies, and minor carpentry at home, the Milwaukee's 2462-20 M12 will be valuable for your affordability. The Dewalt DCF885C1 is a tremendous impact driver for first-timers. Its heavy, rugged shape and professional criteria made this our top pick. It has a hex drive system that accepts any fastener on it to tweak screws, lug nuts, and bolts as your multitasking tool. A 1x4-inch hex can adopt any kind of bit made for it down to 1 inch. In addition, the 5.5-inch body makes this a super compact and sleek impact driver. It uses a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery to power its high-speed motor. Smart charging also cuts off the power once recharging is completed to save the battery from overheating and damage. Since having 3 LED lights on, you can clean the impact point by a 20-second illumination for deeper inspection. This tool weighs 2.8 pounds and is capable of creating 1,400 inch-pounds of torque while having 2,800 RPM, keeping aside its 3,200 IPM maximum to fulfill all your needs. Thus, precisely engineered weight balance benefits users to have no excessive shake or vibration. The Dewalt DCF885C1 is more than capable of working on brick walls, shelves, decks, and so much more. Therefore, amateur or professional, both can use this tool with no complication, which once again makes this our top pick. So, that was the list of the 5 best impact drivers just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Be sure to like, comment, and share the video with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to enjoy more videos like this on your feed.